Welcome back to the channel. I got my boy Garrett with me. We're riding in the, what is this, BRZ?
Yeah.
BRZ. So currently, as you can tell by the title, we're putting the BCs on the Cobalt finally. I've been in and out of the car like 5-6 times now. So the car is already jacked up. We already took the left side off. We're about to put the BCs on. Like I said, Carlos was slotting them for me so we can get the camber. We just left Home Depot for a second time because a portion of the Dremel we bought broke. So I just went back and replaced it. And then we had to go get WD-40 because the rear's kind of seized up a little bit. But we're trying to get it done before all the daylight is gone, since the sun likes to go down at 5 now. But we're on our way back to Carlos's spot, and then we'll pick up from there. All right, like I said, we're back at Carlos's spot now. We're having our own little pop-up meet. But so in the rear, I'm running washers. As you can see, if it'll focus. But I'm running washers. I don't know how many that is. It might be like 12. This is jacked up and maxed out, and there's a huge tire gap. So I'm gonna probably have to take out like 6 or 7 washers for the rear. But this is what it looks like before you take the top hat off. We had to hit it with some WD-40 and some vice grips, and then you take off the little plastic piece and the bump stop. Max the coil out, stack the washers here, put it back together. Carlos, fuck you. He is currently helping me slot the coil in the front for camber, just like we did on the OGs. These are the Racelands I was on. Everybody kept asking about. If anybody wants to pay for them,
50 bucks.
I'll auction them off. These are J Rush's Racelands. But yeah, like I said, these are slotted. I'm slotting them now. The difference, these are $200, $300 coils. They look jank. The coil has been cut. And then with these, you actually have the top hat for the camber plate. Shout out to the guy who sold me these. Got some BCs for 200 bucks. I don't recall his name. So if you're watching this video, I apologize. But yeah. So piecing it together. I'm gonna get back to taking these washers out the back while he sits here and does nothing. That's all he's been doing this whole time. Turn it around.
It's going.
Just let me see.
It's going.
I don't trust you.
Welcome back, guys. You know, niggas being retarded.
Record me. Carlos did all the work.
I hear that, guys? I hear that? I did it.
I did all this shit. Plug your shit.
I did all this shit.
Plug. At K24.
Hey, about time you did some shit. I'm so proud of you. There you go.
I'll make that your shifter now, bro.
You need one.
Why you so mad all the time?
Who's mad?
You the only one that's mad.
Your ass crack showing.
Crack kills, bro.
I've been waiting for somebody to eat.
Yeah, he just hit that fender.
Fuck that fender. That shit cut either way. Just like the owner.
Leave my ass alone for a nigga who's straight. You like a lot of male culo.
Why you?
You got a hairy ass, bro.
Yo, are you gonna cut this?
Nope.
I bet you is. I bet you.
I have BCs now.
Don't know how to act.
Oh,
He broke the box. It's okay, babe. Don't worry about it.
He broke that cheap ass box.
That's just not cheap.
Cheap.
Just because you buy your overpriced Snap-on shit don't mean nothing.
That's quality, bitch.
Mac. Put some music over this. Wait,
My bad.
do that shit again, but look determined, like when you're doing it.
Y eso no es broma.
but you don't want this money. Long West Side baby in the house. Carlos working on his car as usual. So today is currently the next day, guys. Yesterday was kind of hectic. We all went out to eat last night.
Before you start saying shit, let them know what I did earlier for you.
Oh, yeah. Well, we're going to get to that. Can I just break it down first? Niggas want credit already, and I ain't even told them what happened. So yesterday, we got the BCs on. I'll show you guys real quick. We got the BCs on. They are maxed out, as you can see. Carlos did slot the top hat, well, not the top hats, but slotted the top hole for me to get the camber in the front. And then BCs.
How come you can't talk to us like that?
Shut up. BCs have camber plates like the Racelands didn't. So as you can see, I maxed out the camber up top. Pull whatever the nuts, whatever with the Allen key,
Look here,
positioning, and then slid it all the way in. So camber top hat plus the slotted top hole in the coil gave me double digits. So this side has always had more camber than the other. So this is -12, that's -11 over there. Right now we're playing around. Oh, well, before we get to what I'm about to say, this young man here decided to come. Well, I actually asked him to help me. He came to my house and he blessed me this morning with an alignment.
Hey, look here, cuz.
Hey, quiet on set. Creep. This morning he blessed me with an alignment. It's literally perfect. So yesterday after I put the coils on, slotted them, had it cambered out, the wheel was literally like sideways going straight. This side was towing in terribly to the point where it was almost not drivable, but I decided to send it. So shout out to Long. It's so straight now I can let go of the wheel and the car will actually go straight. So thank you. If you need an alignment, hit up Long.
I don't know about all that.
I fuck with his alignments the long way. But yeah, so right now I have taken off these 25 mil adapters for the XXRs. I'm about to clean those and I'll swap them out for the 2 inches. So as I said, we did bump the camber up to double digits. I don't really want it to tuck. I want to bring it as close to the fender as possible. But yeah, so like I said, swapped out the 2 inch. I decided to go ahead and just throw on one of the wheels just to see what it would look like. This is a 18 by 9.5 with a 2 inch spacer. I'm not going to be running a 2 inch. Once again, I just wanted to see how it would look. And that camber is crazy. So the tire not even touching. So double digits, extremely happy about that. But we won't be running these just yet. Like I said, this is a 35 sidewall. I want a 40 sidewall. And we will not be running a 2 inch spacer. We'll probably be running a 25 mil. So these want to come off, take these tires off. The rear has to be Sudani'd. I did test fit these in the back. I have to run double digit camber if I want to do a full stretch in the rear. But if I just do Sudani, it'll fit with the camber I have in the back. So yeah, like I said, I'm about to clean the XXRs. We'll go from there, and then I'll let you guys see what it looks like with the XXRs, double digit camber, and a 2 inch spacer.
My tires is low. You can't go fast. Hell no, them shit is not working.
Go. Your car not working, bro.
What's wrong, Luke? Huh? What's wrong, bro?
Nigga fucking up my goddamn hatch, nigga. My 10-second car. Fucking up my goddamn car.
Hey,
The rope just snapped.
Push it.
See, guys, this is the perks of having your own car crew. While everybody else does the work, you just sit back and chill. That's it. You just sit back and chill. Y'all boys better move faster. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of all over the place, but I had to redo the outro because it got messed up originally. I appreciate everybody who's been supporting. We're literally like 4 subs off from 1,000. If we can hit that 1,000 mark, I will be eternally grateful. I just appreciate everybody who's gotten us to this point now. I'm trying to decide what we're gonna do for a 1,000 sub video. If you guys have any ideas, put it in the comments, send it to me on Instagram. I want to do something. Doesn't specifically have to be car related. I mainly want it to be something funny maybe. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate everybody who's been supporting to this point. I couldn't have done it without any of you guys. You guys have been killing the orders lately. Keep that up. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will catch you in the next video.